Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today I got all my trusses all laid out. Got them all marked out for the purlings when we put them up there. Bean's putting on some more braces because we're supposed to get some weather today. The wind's supposed to pick up pretty bad, so we're getting everything ready to put up. We're going to try and get the trusses up on the top of the Connex. I don't know if we'll get them set today, but we're going to try to. And anyhow, like I said, we got them all marked out and they're ready to go. Got them 2 foot on center, and the trusses are going to go 4 foot on center up top of the beam there. So this is what we got done yesterday. We got most of our bracing in place. We got all our beams set. So hopefully it's going to be a decent day. We got one guy coming today, John. He's coming on his way now. So once he gets here, we'll get the rest of it all put up. So hang out with me, see how we do. Here we go.
Grab them 2 2x4s.
Yeah. Be sitting in the workshop drinking coffee by then. Well, number 1. Yeah, I think today gonna be a wet day.
Okay, we get them up there and we'll get out of it. Once we get them up there, we can wrestle them around, whatever.
I didn't do too bad. I have to stop and think about.
Okay, that's okay. You got to start somewhere.
Yep.
You know, it'll come to you. The main thing is to stay with it and use it.
Use it, yeah.
You never will learn it if you don't use it.
That's true. That's gonna look pretty nice, actually.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look like a goddamn fort. Daniel Boone fort.
Yeah. All right. I got the first one up there.
The guy,
It's starting to look like something.
it's going to look good when it's done.
I think so too. Well, everyone, we're back at it again. Yesterday we got washed out, so today, there's like a 3-hour window, so we're gonna try and get everything in there as quick as we can. But we're gonna put up the rest of our trusses and see how that goes. Hopefully, like I said, we got a 3-hour window. Things will go well. It's starting to run a little bit, but it's not too bad. So not yet, anyway. So wish me luck. We'll see how it goes. Coming along. We got 3 of them up there now.
Good. Walk forward. Good. Hold it right there. You swing to your left about 4 or 5 inches. Good. Down. Okay. Okay. Curl your bucket in. You want to set the truss down. Hold it. Move down just a little bit. Good.
That went pretty well.
All my layout.
I'm pretty happy with the way that went. We got them up there, all of them. Now you can have an idea of what it is that I'm building. So it's looking pretty good. Hey guys, sorry I missed you at the Paul Bunyan show, but we didn't make it this year because we've been kind of busy, but got a lot going on here and trying to get a few things put away and all cleared up. But most of it, like I said, was our Connex project. We've had nothing but rain here. I mean, torrential rain for 2 weeks now. I mean, it's rained every day. Getting the rest of my dirt work done here, so they're going to start tomorrow. They're going to start spreading that out, so I'll be able to use my rear door. So get that done. But anyway, this is what I got going on. Tomorrow we're going to put the tin on the roof. Just a quick view of up top here. We got it all bolted down to the top of the Connex. Got them sealed up with some clear silicone so it doesn't leak. It was a project, but it is coming out pretty decent. Got all the purlings on. Like I said, tomorrow we'll put on the tin. It's blowing pretty good, but we got the tin on today. We finished up the roof. It worked out pretty good, actually. This is my plan for the inside. So you can see I got all my wood stacked in there and it's looking pretty good. I got a few bags left over in the bagging station, but I'll be able to stack all my wood in the back there. It's gonna look pretty good. I know I can get at least about 400 or 500 bundles in here easy, so it's gonna work out pretty good. You can see we got all tin up on this side. It is coming along. And they finished the pad from yesterday, so now I got plenty of places to park. It's working out all right. That's what she looks like on the top. We just need to finish that one end, but again, I wanted to get it all done before the wind blew because I don't want it to come off. But